Like this should be fine.
Yeah.
So, and then in a bit, we show you how you can use it to have fun. Braking 100 meters, not in the ABS, not too hard, and then you flick. Light brake, turn in, you see the car goes around, on power one way, slight release, on power the other way.
Oh yeah.
Using every inch. And braking late, using the weight. Keeping it tight, braking straight line. And the other way. But for you, because I want to try it together, and we need to be more smooth.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was now being very aggressive, and you saw the effect.